some of it's what she said, but it's also how she was. She's just feeling deeply loved by her mothers, and there was something about...
What's going on?
I'm not sure if I should tell him. His mother's dead. Died a year ago. Was high on meth, got hit by a car.
What about his father?
Not even his mother knows who his father really is. She was having sex for money, for drugs. His aunt in the Midwest was the only one I could get in contact with. Doesn't want him. She just says she has her hands full with her own kids.
We have to keep him off the streets.
Let's keep him for as long as we can. I'll get in contact with the state.
No. He'll run away if you do that. He said he's afraid of the people that adopted him.
He's not afraid of us.
Have you given this a lot of thought?
Yeah, since the first time we saw him. What do you think?
After all those years of trying, I'd given up on being a mother. Sam reminds me of what's been missing in my life.
I'll call Byron and see what needs to be done to make him legally our son.
You're no spring chicken. You think you can manage a 10-year-old?
No, Dad, I've got plenty of pep left in me.
You go call Byron. Later on, we'll see how much pep you have left in you.